In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up direct deposit on Venmo. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open up the Venmo application like you normally would. Then you want to go to this section that says me, and then go to the top right and then select on the gear icon right over here. Then all we're going to be doing is we're going to be scrolling down until we see this option over here that says buying, and you want to select over here where it says direct deposit. So go ahead and just press on it like so. And from here, you guys can go ahead and access your routing number and your account number, which you could then provide to your employer. And then using that information, your employer could basically set up direct deposit for you. So whenever you get paid, it should go directly to your Venmo account. Now, keep in mind, this will only work if you do have the Venmo debit card. So make sure you do have one of those. And if you guys are confused, do not worry. I made a separate tutorial showing you guys how to actually get it. But yeah, it's really important that you actually do have the Venmo debit card and that you of course do activate it. And basically that's all you need in order to set up direct deposit. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.